Our mateys. It's Blackbeard and Nichole for our pirate adventure. So we are at the Pirates Dinner in Orlando. They have one in California also, near Knott's Berry Farm, but we're at the one in Florida. And we're going to show you all the pirate stuff, the dinner, the show, and definitely the welcoming of Blackbeard and my channel to all of you swashbuckling maidens and jolly fellows. So let's go get some drink and some grog. Arr! All right, we got our drinks. Had to get this little guy and the Mai Tai, and then Nichole got the Jack and Diet, and you get your eye patch and baby Nana. And we're gonna go inside and check out the ship.
I'm not sure I like these things. I think they're hush puppies.
Treasure Bay. Are we all prepared to celebrate?
Wow.
Now, people, I said, are we all prepared to celebrate? Excellent. Now, as the Royal Chamberlain, it is my duty and honor to announce the impending arrival of Her Royal Highness, Princess Anita. However, there's one rule of protocol we must go over first, as we want to hear what's foolish in front of royalty. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I need everyone on your feet, please. Everyone rise to your feet at this time, and you shall repeat after me. Step
pasta, and I got chicken, mashed potatoes. Oh yeah. All right, the pirate adventure has come to a close, but however, thank God. So, it's probably my first video ever actually not really enjoying the experience at a location. Mainly for the fact that the show was actually good. It was a little boring in parts. I think it dragged on a little bit. The problem is, like, you know, when you follow the channel, Nichole and I do gluten-free. She has celiac, but one of the big problems in America is that nobody is willing to really accept this allergy that can send people to the hospital and is serious. And instead they want to cater to everyone that's gluten-free, which is a preference. Like, you're not going to get sick if you eat chicken, turkey, meat. So that's one of our big gripes about this, and they didn't really handle it well here, which was unfortunate for the money you spend. So I would definitely say, look, if you got a family, it's very expensive here. I mean, drinks wise, we didn't really drink too much, and it was probably over 120 bucks for the two of us. So would I go here? Probably not here. Maybe the one in California. I don't think that was as expensive as the Florida one. Nichole could probably touch on a couple subjects because it's closer to her heart, because she is actually celiac and I'm just gluten free by my own doing because I don't want to do any wheat or gluten anymore. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's disappointing, right? It's about, I would say, 130 a person, and you know, if you don't have celiac, then it's great. You get a lot of food and a lot of options, but even the salad course, they just handed me lettuce. So it's unfortunate, but this is becoming a growing problem in the United States and across the world, simply because a lot of people see it as an expense and that it's not worth it when those of us that need to be able to eat aren't able to eat. So this was very disappointing.
So we will leave you there. Sad to say that was actually a semi-bad review, but you know, it's kind of cool to shed some light on this stuff, especially for you people traveling here. The reason I kind of put the channel together is one of the biggest, hardest things about traveling around the world is knowing where to eat and what you want. And I think a lot of time, especially for us, we noticed on the last trip, a lot of time is wasted for us searching for places that we can eat that is manageable. So I hope the videos come out in a good light for you guys and you enjoy it. And like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Till next time.